Okay, today is October 7, year 2025. I'm here at Doc Mel's place. It's his mini man cave, diba? Last time I'll show you the main man cave. This mini man cave. You can see all those machine there. There. Oh, let me show you his lathe machine. Look, he personally restored it. Okay, you know, it looks brand new. Brand new, huh? But when he got it, it looked like a junk. But look, it looks brand new. Okay, these are all repainted. Oh. And here's another drill press where he also restored it. It's looked like a junk, and he have it powder coat. Yeah. Actually, this is my dream workshop. When I was still a kid, I was dreaming having my own small lathe machine and drill press, and these are his old toys. Yeah, Goblin 770. Okay, yeah, that's about it. The boat, mga boat ni Mel yan, no? Ano pa? Okay, sige, pwede na. It's only 2 minutes video. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.